Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up and use your Xiaomi C300. And not only that, I'm going to also show you how you can use all the features. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you're gonna open the box, in the box you're gonna have this small box that you want to open, and there you are going to find for connecting the cable. So you want to plug it to your adapter or to your laptop, and when you're gonna do it, you just want to, from the back, you're gonna have to see the charging point there. So you want to put it right there. And what will happen is that you're gonna see this kind of like orange dot there. Do you see that on your camera? So now I'll just put it like here, or just put it even to, like here. It's going to start moving. And then now what you have to do is this. So you can either go to Google Play right now on your phone, and you want to search and just write here the Mi Home or like the Xiaomi camera. Just write there Xiaomi camera. And it's going to search for you the Mi Home right there, the application. And what you want to do, you want to install it. Now I'm going to click open. And what you want to do now is pretty simple. You just have to create your own account. Just stop the video here when you're going to download the app and you're going to create your own account, because it's going to take you like 2 to 3 minutes. I already have my own account, but that's something that you want to do. And when you're going to create your own account, then you want to go to top right and click plus, and you can either add the device by Bluetooth or you can add the device by scanning. I'm going to add the device by Bluetooth, but you can also do the scanning. From the bottom, you're going to have a QR code that you would just scan with your phone. I will also show you how you can do it. So I'm going to click add the device here. And automatically it's going to discover if you're going to have Bluetooth on. So have the Bluetooth on. Then you are going to find a device here. And what you want to do is just press it. Now, when you're going to press it, it wants to connect. So what you have to do is you want to have your Wi-Fi turned on. And I'm going to select the Wi-Fi. And here I'm going to find the Wi-Fi right there. So I'm going to click on it. I agree. And I'm going to click next. So right now I will just press connect. And it's going to connect to Wi-Fi. And now what I have to do, I have to scan the QR code from the back. So it's going to connect to the... You just have to scan the QR code, so the Xiaomi is going to connect to it. And now I can even see right now on my laptop. Okay, it's just connected successfully. And now what I have to do, I have to set the room. So all you have to do is scan the QR code. It's super simple. Now I'm going to, let's say this is going to be the bedroom. Next. Name of the camera. Next. And then display large on the homepage. Okay, next. And now agree. And voila, here we got it. So now I'm going to show you when you're going to set it up, how you can actually use the app and how you can use the camera. So when you're going to have the camera right here, what you can do is that you can click on the display and you can make it bigger. And when you are going to make it bigger, what you can do here, I will show you. Let's say this is going to be a camera like here. I can press on it and I can move it. So you can move the camera to the top, to down, or to the bottom. Then you can hear whatever is happening. So when you're going to press this button right here, it means is that you're going to hear whatever the camera microphone is gathering around the surroundings. So, or like in that place. So let's say you have a child there and you want to hear it if it's going to cry. You're going to press this camera, that is like the button here, and then you're just going to know if something happens or no. Then you're gonna have the quality, so you can have auto or let's say even 2K and change the quality right there. Then you can take a picture by this button right here, or you can even record the video, or if you want to, you can speak to the camera. So let's say your child is there and you want to speak to it, so you just press it and you will start speaking. So this is something that you can also do. Now, when we're gonna look further, what we can find here in the app Then you are going to have the surveillance. So surveillance is all around protection by home. So after the home surveillance is enabled, the camera will send notifications immediately when changes are detected in the surveillance area. So I would like turn it on. And you're gonna have a monitoring time like 24 hours 7. Then you can have sensitivity. It can be like, let's say, high. So if something just moves, it's going to notify you. And that's something that you can do. Now, when we go further, you're gonna have the playback there also. So playback is going to, you can subscribe to cloud or your SD card. When you're gonna have like SD card, it's going to save there. And then you can have the storage management. And you can have it in your local. So let's say when you're going to record videos or take pictures, you would have it local, or you would have it also in your SD card there. So that's about it, about the setup. And now let me show you how it works. So I'm going to show you right now the full screen. And let's see how it's going to work out right now. So as you can see, it works really good. Now even I can just put the camera right here and you can clearly see me. So that's great. Look at this. So you could actually see me right here. Like I have it as a webcam. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to record this video for you on what you can do and what you can achieve with this camera. It's pretty awesome. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. And if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. But this is how we're going to set it up. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye. Yeah. And of course, the SD card is that when you're going to like take this, see, and it's going to be right here, the SD card, so input it.